Hello, in this video I want to show you how to adjust your loadout in Call of Duty Mobile. So to do this, you'll need to click on the loadout on the bottom middle of the screen. From here, pick which game mode you want to change the loadout for. In this case, let's go for the multiplayer. Right here you can change a different weapon. So some of them needs to be downloaded to get the visual on the model. And you can also change the weapon type. There's also the other weapon slot, which can be set as pistol, melee or launcher. Your skin for the player. And any other perks or score streaks or grenades and accessories. You can also set the loadouts for each of the weapons to exchange them quickly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.